How to create a new organization in Make. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to create a new organization in Make, first of all, go launch open a web browser and type in make.com in the URL box to end up in the official web page of Make. Once you're inside, go ahead and sign into your account like you normally do. Once you're logged into the home page of Make, go ahead and click on your name initial at the top right and click on Profile. Once you end up in this Profile section, you will see a Create Organization button at the top right corner. Click on that and then in the pop-up, enter the details. First, you'll need to go ahead and enter your organization's name. Go ahead and write down the name for your organization. I am just gonna type this over here, and once you are done, head over to the next field and select your region, your time zone, and then your country, and finally click on Add. Your new organization will be created with a default free plan and a team, My Team, at the top left, as you can see it. Remember that you can switch between organizations from your profile menu anytime if you have multiple organizations. The selected region or data center cannot be changed later, and there you go. That is how you can easily create an organization in make.com. Now you are ready to build workflows, connect apps, and automate tasks like a pro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.